Hi, everybody. My name is Ben Baker, and we have a failure to communicate. Every year in the United States, $37 billion is wasted in ineffective internal communications. We want to help you fix that. But here's some stories that will give you some insights that will show you what is being done currently and how you can avoid them. We hope you find these valuable. We look forward to hearing from you. This story goes back about 15 years now. I was working with a client that was a health authority that dealt with smoking cessation, alcohol awareness, and drug addiction. Now, they had 20,000 employees spread over 200 square miles. And I was going out visiting clients that day and ended up having 3 different meetings with 3 different areas. And at the end of the day, I'm sitting there in the third meeting and a light bulb goes off and realized that these clients were all working on similar projects. And the beef that they were all having was none of them had enough of a budget to be able to do what they wanted to do. So they were all sitting there going, what am I going to do with this? I was able to get them on the line together, have a conversation, realize where the commonalities were, and realize that if we created something that was going to work for all 3 of them, we were not only going to be able to combine their budgets, but we were going to be able to save them $20,000. Now, if that internal communication had been left to work on its own, none of these people would have known the other existed. None of them would have known that the others were working on similar projects, and the work would have been triplicated, and money would have been wasted. So what we had here was a failure to communicate.